Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. So we are going to go through an important message. This video, this audio, not video, is conversation between Nkere and Oyame, the Deputy Defense Secretary. Most of you know him, a very, very smart, intelligent man. He has a message for Nkere. Although the message was, this is old one, but there's a reason why I'm bringing that audio for you. And I want you to listen to that before I say what I want to say. But before then, like the video and subscribe to the channel. Make sure that you follow this platform, very, very important, by subscribing and turn your bell notification on. So each time we are live or we post a video, you will be among those that are going to get to see it on time. So let's go there without wasting much of your time, because I want to make it a snap.
Okay, you see why I like to send you voice notes? Because you are sounding like somebody that didn't have any knowledge of argument. Educated argument. What are the shame you on yourself?
Okay.
You have to listen to me. Okay? No, you're not talking mega address that time. Make the first note mega address. Listen. In our junior there's an opportunity to cancel fundraising. You got the opportunity to declare Biafrans in Finland.
Okay.
Every power that she exercises was given to her by the Biafran people.
Now, this answer that this our brother gave to Nkere, taking him on should I say lecture or educating him, because he don't know the right. Most of you that are watching or following this platform, from maybe you are confused, you don't know what to believe on, who to trust. In fact, when you listen to a program like this, or so any Biafran broadcasting, you will feel that the person has been bought over. Oh, he's not saying the right thing. You that is saying the right thing, or that you think you know, you don't know the difference between COS and finance minister. When you ask some of our brother who claim they know, we are educated, we are intelligent, we are smart. Between finance minister and COS, who do you think is close to the leadership of a government like USB or Biafra movement? After PM, who again? Who is in line? They will tell you that even just when I listen to some of you, I feel like, in fact, I feel like throwing up. Somebody like Sana Parawa, he was busy misleading people that COS is just a secretary to PM, just ordinary secretary to PM, like go and buy chewing gum, make sure that my file is intact, have you put in my writing materials in order, go to my office and there's a book under my table, check the money I put in my drawer, bring it, that kind of message. Now hear from people, not from me, people who know better than I do. Listen.
Who elected our prime minister, and the prime minister made him the chief of staff.
Okay.
By the virtue of that office, she stands the opportunity to take off from the prime minister should anything happen to him.
Okay.
Whether he is in jail, whether he is dead, whether anything happens to him, the first person that Biafrans will rally around will be the chief of staff. That is the natural running of government. I know you have people who have experience in whatever you people are doing. Tell them to.
He don't have anybody. He don't have anybody that understands natural, structure of government. They don't. Most of them, I don't want to say science students, but you need to pay attention to, day-to-day activities of the government, at least to understand how it's been done, what is expected of you, where you belong, what is going on. They don't have anybody. That's why you see somebody who is matured enough saying something that is not unheard of, like something that when you hear it, you say, well, you'll be like, am I dreaming? Where did he get it from? You can hear him here. The Nkere, he was very calm and quiet. But the problem is that, is he willing to learn, or he's eager to carry out the assignment given to him? You may ask me what assignment. That will be a story for another day. But those who know, know. He's not acting alone. Do you understand it? And some of you who have issue with a woman leading you because of your traditional belief. There are some of you that are serving deity. You actually believe that it's a taboo to have a woman leading you. That's why you hear somebody like what the name of this Master in-law, Master Prophet, attacking COS, calling her names. Now, I believe that. I'm sure that your wife, you don't in your family you don't have only boys, you have girls. But you're okay with it. And most of you ranting on, oh, who is COS? She don't have right. Who gave her right to dissolve? You are speaking out of ignorance. Only our people in this whole wide world know that you know that you are ignorant. They know that they don't know this thing, but they will come out publicly to challenge it as if they already know everything. By so doing, exposing yourself, letting the whole world know that you are ignorant of what you are doing. The level of your understanding, your education, you will expose yourself for free. When people begin to capitalize on that to talk to you, you are calling me illiterate, but you are the one that is making yourself to sound like an illiterate. I have seen a lot of comments. Even the video that I posted earlier today, the video where PM actually sanctioned or organized, committee that will make sure that USB government will be well structured. If he don't intend to, dissolve or end the cabinet of bridge, he wouldn't have formed that committee. Yet, after watching the video, you see our people on my conversation. Who gave her right to dissolve the cabinet? That PM one actually said that PM dissolved the PM, not dissolve. PM formed a committee, but he did not dissolve it. The committee is for what? Even when PM said in the video that immediately after the declaration that this is an internal board meeting, not for public. But because of this katakata and the unnecessary blackmail, cooking up story, imaginary story, create it and push it out there as if it is real, using that to make sure that you watch CS down, to leave to Nkere with his national assignment from heaven knows who assigned him. I'm not here to tell you that, but for you to understand that something is going on. Now, PM actually made it clear what is the action, and they kept quiet. Only few that are shameless will come to the comment section and start telling you, yes, he formed the committee, but he did not dissolve the cabinet. Just like somebody who you want to, let me not use a vulgar statement. You want to cook food, you want to cook stew. Okay, then you prepared, you go to market, or you send somebody to market to buy ingredients and everything that you need to prepare stew. Then after sending the people, or you have gone to the market and bought it by yourself, purchased by yourself, somebody will be somewhere. Yes, he bought all the tomatoes and all the ingredients, but he did not tell you that he want to prepare stew. The ingredients already there. You have spent more money on that. waiting for the due date to prepare the meal, and somebody trying to justify that, oh, you don't like stew. Even though you have ingredients already, everything to prepare stew is on ground. In fact, you have purchased everything. So just for you, someone to lie, the person will be telling, no, even though you have all this thing, he's still not ready. I don't think he want to prepare stew actually. Then you ask them, all these ingredients is for what? It's not as if you don't know the date to use it to. The person that bought it have a date to use those ingredients to prepare the stew. But because you want to preach falsehood, you are still deceiving people that no, it's not true. Listen to Nkere again before we move to issue of I don't know, because I have something to say about her resurfacing.
Tell you the truth if you don't know. Okay? Don't be calling everybody and be talking like this. The power was given to her by the Biafran people.
Okay.
We just finished convention.
Okay.
Biafrans needed that moment to recover.
Okay.
Because it's money that we're going to pay.
Mm-hmm.
People needed to come home, settle down, and then take a fresh breath, and then come out and do fundraising. You didn't come out to do fundraising because you wanted to help. You came out to do fundraising because you needed to use it to mobilize support. And that is exactly what you did.
When an intelligent man speak, everywhere stands still. Did you hear what he said now? That after the convention, the reason why they're pushing for fundraising is to mobilize support, to register relevance. That was target. Not because you actually care to raise money for men on ground. You are using the emotion to build your build your platform and to upgrade your profile. But I thank God that came and came and cousin. The next they will start asking you, oh, you don't obey PM, you don't obey PM. Oh, PM will say four back, four front, four sideways. How many is there anybody that actually told me to fall forward when PM was starting up after the kidnap of Mazamanaka? Nobody PM did not push anybody to follow him. But we all want to move forward. You cannot remain in one circle and pin yourself and as if you are stagnated. It doesn't work that way. Everyone wants just to progress, move forward, and see what is going on there. Not just be in one place and keep yapping some nonsense.
That is the same lie you lie to men on ground.
Mm-hmm.
You lie to them, and you know it okay, Nkere. Stop running your mouth like this. And look.
That was then. The lie is still cooking even as you speak. If you know, you know. The lie is still flying everywhere, every day, like never before. These people come from liars families. Like their own nation should be. I don't know if they attended Lie International Secondary School or a Lie University, because they are all liars. People are going to use service in Nigeria. These people, or some that went to Polytechnic, you may say IT. Most of them did their IT in Lai Mohammed office, and they are graduate of liars institution. They are now working, moving from place to place, and depositing lies in the life of people. If you are a truthful person and you get close to them, you are gone. They will put the venom on you, and you may not even know when you receive it. They are transferring it using infrared and Bluetooth. That's what they do. All of them from A to Z. I'm not here. I don't want video to be too long, but I may not touch everything, but I will try my best. I may try my best, because some people don't understand what is going on. If you are free from those lies flying everywhere now, you are highly, highly, highly blessed. Because the lies on the air is so many that even if you think that you know, if you don't have the grace, the lie will touch you somehow. Just like Chebaka Jere breaking eggs. Some eggs landed in people's head, and this, when you bring a crate of eggs, nobody knows the rotten one. They miss the good one and the rotten one. Some of you that are falling back, falling sideways, and the company are running haters. Some of you, well, I'm a neutral person. I'm not neutral. At this point in time, that's not like neutral. Number one liars now are those who say they are neutral. If you claim or pretend that I'm a neutral, they told me to stop. You are a liar. You are a liar. You don't be truthful to yourself. It is better you say that you don't want to talk about Biafra anymore. Then wash your hands and step away. But as long as I pretend, I'm a neutral person, I don't believe you. At this point in time, you already examine everything. You have seen it all. By now you should know what you want.
Okay, I'm not the type of person you will go. I have told you before. Whenever you call me, jot down your points. Don't just come here and be running from east to the west. That's not how I roll. I know my onions. If you need education about how to run government, you can call on me. Okay? We have prime minister. We do not have elected of officials. We don't have senate. We don't have house of assembly. We don't have honorable members. We only have elected prime minister.
Yes, and he know that. But what did he do? Wilson Akpara, who think that everybody is so myopic and unintelligent, they formed the Mamadawu. Their father gathered them together and said, from henceforth, you are now from resolution committee to electoral body. People who can't even differentiate one department from one department to another, they don't even know it. Then people who know it will go back to become Dundee, to feel accommodated. In which way one? Like, you know how to build a plane, you can invent aircraft. Somebody who has all the knowledge of patching tire and pumping to pump tire and all that, want you to descend so low to their level for you to feel, for you not to feel, for you not to feel offended, or for them not to feel offended. You have to wash off all this knowledge you have to descend so low for you not to provoke them or for you to feel belong. Instead of them to start working hard to be like you, they want you to come down and be like them. What is witchcraft if not that? What is witches or wizards if not that? You used to fly. You are not, if you want to go any place, you just book your ticket and fly. People know you as a regular traveler. Traveling is not your problem. Somebody wants you to start, acting as if you have never stepped your foot outside the country. In fact, you don't know anything. Just be like me, for them to feel not offended. And that's what they want you to do. Fall back, fall front, and fall sideways. This audio is not yet over, but I don't want to play it to the end because I just want to use it to remind many of you questioning CSM capability and authority. Who gave her this? Who gave that? As I have shown to you the video of PM that CS actually published, you need to circulate that video to everybody to know. But not by now they're cooking what they will use, because all this kitty kata is tomorrow fundraising. And I'm gonna come live on our second platform. If you have not subscribed there, please do. Can report news. And I have shared the video on this platform. You can also follow it through the link. Follow us there, because after this video, next thing is I'm coming live there to spend time with us. So we're gonna, spend some time this afternoon or evening or morning, depending on your time zone. Now let's go to the woman. I don't know who surfaced. Her picture is the one in this thumbnail of this video. You're gonna see it. Once you want to see the video, there's a picture I put up Nkere and USB logo and some other people together. Then this woman, I intentionally zoom her picture there, not to attack her. I'm not here to bash her, but for some of you that actually worried, don't know who is here, don't know who is there, it's not, that shouldn't bother you at all. Everybody have right to join any group of their choice. I'm not here to call her names, no, or to insult her. I'm not wired like that. The only thing I'm saying is that for those of you that are actually thinking that her presence in the Nkere camp is a plus, it could be a plus for some people, but means nothing to many. Why? You don't represent everybody. You can only you can only speak for yourself, nothing more. And I was actually told that she surfaced on that broadcast or program, and all she could do was to gossip, which American women are fond of these days. Many of them, and we know that even from get-go that We have a lot of people in America. People used to call them Akata women and all that. Not everybody, not all of them. Some of them, many of them are sensible enough. But you must see this element of American, Biafran women in America. Sometimes you see some of them acting as if they have, because they want to feel relevant, and some of them actually believe that without them, chairman for more GM or boy, that everything must be, with them. That was what happened to Nelly of Ebu. Once Biafran begin to recognize you or think that you are maybe, everybody want money now. This guy, this person is a big fish. Once you join this struggle, you'll be donating so amount of money. Money that you are donating and putting inside the well. Of what profit is that? You are just wasting your money because you are not smart enough to understand where to put your money. You are putting your money on a man who have refused to give anything, any account. We used to hear that the men on ground are receiving from him, right? The question should be, okay, if they're receiving like they claim they do, why complain then? Why don't you just forge ahead? And Biafra is not resisted only in Imo State. I want to put it out there. Biafran land is not about Imo State. In Enugu today, people are crying, running helter-skelter because of insecurity. In Ebonyi State, the same thing. So that Parawa is the champion because Fulani people, does he even care about the killing going on in his own state? I'm just asking. Because I never hear him talking about men on ground in his state. But he focus because they want to concentrate attention on one location in Imo State and pretend to you that it is all over, this and that. I'm not against you supporting whoever you wish to support. Mark my word. I'm not here to tell you that men on ground are weak and lazy. No. What I'm saying is that those that are piloting the affairs of men on ground, not men on ground here, are the one to answer some questions. Is Biafran land resisted only in Imo State border? Or do we actually care for other Biafran in other states? When you hear decentralization of army, you out of stupidity and idiocy. Somebody who comes from Nsukka or from Newe, somebody who comes from Ezambo, from Nkere, somebody who comes from let's say Abakaliki or Ntezi, somebody who comes from maybe I don't know this job, somewhere in Abia State or even in Anambra or in Delta, Warri, somebody who comes from all those Biafran areas in Akwa Ibom and rest of them. They are, because they don't understand what it means. They'll be championing. No, don't say that. You are destroying our men. You are actually. How can you refuse to support men? Because you are saying that you out of ignorance. Nobody said that men on ground or people, commanders, that you should abandon them or ignore them. But remember that the land is so versatile. Not only one people, not only one location. The love you have for them, can you also stretch your hands of love, fellowship to every other people, so that the land will be protected from Fulani invaders? That is no longer rumor that Biafra land is not protected the way it should be, and that was why Mazagano decided to form ESN to tackle that. He first see those things, the agenda. In fact, in the whole worldwide, he was the only person that did not miss any word. He made it clear that they are coming. As far back as 2012, 2013, 2014, he was shouting about this. People called him problem instigator. People called him warmonger. You are lying to people. Who is this one? Where do you get your intelligence? What is wrong with you? No, you just want to make money. The same making money they're telling you, even innocent man like me, you are for money. They said to Mazamagan, a man that managed to tell them, to lecture them on issue that's supposed to know. They decided to go all out on him, calling him names. Now you that is attacking this decentralization, what about your location? Are you from where men on ground are operating now? Are you there? Or your town or your state, is it vulnerable that people, they must acquire your people before you raise an alarm for people to travel there to chase people out? By so doing, some people have already gone. Can you use your brain, or you don't care? I'm not going to get to tomorrow. Is people don't throw stone in the market because you don't know whose head that stone will land. It could be the head of your mother that is in the market selling or buying something. Think about it. Now, this is not to say that men on ground are not getting it right. Mark my word. I'm just trying to remind you that the importance of decentralization does not mean undermine the army you have. You may say, okay, then why are they complaining about money? Their money are not getting to them. I have said it. It is not in my. I'm not in the position to tell you to talk about it. Defense secretaries and government are the ones to clear on that. And my advice to you is to assess patient, calm down, let them do what they're doing. Then you will not see, because everything going on. Remember, people that are in the government are not tout. They are not here. They are not begging for money. Are you getting the point? These are people that are professionals that are doing something. Not remember what Master said, that someone who is hungry, a poor man don't fight freedom, and truly they don't. Imagine people like in the media of DS. So I don't want to use another one group now. So you not say because I hate them. No. Now DOS that all of us agree. I have seen how they operate. What do they do? Once money comes, they will start going on the ground. They can cook up language, English language, and smooth it and make it look like they are doing something. But the intention is to make money, meaning that poor man cannot fight for freedom. If Master is a poor man, by now he would have reached agreement on how to have oil well, perpetual source of income that his lineage will enjoy, even his brothers and siblings will enjoy. But because he's not wired like that, and he's not poor, he still maintain his ground and still fighting. Even today, there's a breaking news that he still refused to, because they're pushing him every now and then. Drop Biafra. If he drop it now, he will come back now. Makandina, I feel wrong. You are praying that he will buy there. You keep on dreaming. Nothing is going to happen to him. Neither will be anything happen to PM. Oyejo for Jidogu, Wolfenemia. My people, I have to hit my mic here. Like this video and share it to many platforms of your choice. Subscribe to the channel and see you again. We are coming live, not here on the platform, on a second platform. Please be there and see you again. Bye bye for now.